you are a builder or a remodeler, this is the place to be. It's the International Builder Show and Kitchen and Bath Industry Show 2019, part of Design and Construction Week here in Las Vegas at the Rockwool exhibit with Dave Smith. Dave, always a pleasure to see you.
Thanks for coming by, James.
I love Rockwool. I went into the sound tunnel. I could not hear a pin drop. I tried to burn the place down. I couldn't.
Couldn't do it?
I tried to freeze everybody out. I couldn't. I tried to make the insulation get covered with mold. I couldn't.
Good.
It's outperforming insulation of all types and styles and finishes.
That's it. That's right. Yeah, no, and we're showing everyone here. We've got the fire going. We've got the sound room with kids going crazy and they're playing video games and you can't hear them. So I think that a lot of people are starting to get a kick out of that. We're also talking about exterior insulation and how blanketing the exterior of the home behind the cladding is the way to go, and that's sort of the movement of the future. We're talking about Comfort Board, which is our product for that. And we got a lot of builders and remodelers interested in that. We got seminars going, 3 a day for the next 2 days. So yeah, really exciting and lots going on.
You have thermal product. You have acoustical product.
Yes.
The bands play. Can't hear your drummer play.
Yes. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
We know you have some great videos online. We know you have a terrific social media platform. And we know you have a terrific website. So where can our pro audience and consumers get more information on Rockwool products, baby?
Rockwool.com. And on YouTube, Rockwool North America. On Instagram, Rockwool NA. That's us, so please follow us and check us out.
I say we give the product a real run for its money. Let's make some noise! Woo! James Carey reporting from the Rockwool exhibit at the International Builder Show, Kitchen Bath Industry Show. Be there or be square. Woo!